Welcome to FrameAuth. Today I'll show you how you can add member-only content to your website in a couple of minutes. So jumping into Framer, let's go here, we'll go to Plugins and then Browse All. We'll then type in FrameAuth and open the plugin. Once you've signed in, you'll see your list of projects here. I'm going to select the project that I want to connect to this Framer project. I'll then click Connect. My project has now been connected and a few things have happened. We've added an override file to your project and we've also added a snippet to the settings. I've created a couple pages in my website to get started. I have sign up, sign in, and an account page. So the first thing I'll do is from the plugin, I'll drag in the sign up form to my sign up page. I'll then go to the sign in page and I'll drag in the sign in form. On the account page, I'll drag in the profile form. So this will enable a basic auth setup. From the sign up step, I see an option to remix blocks. If you click on that, you'll be able to browse a whole bunch of different pre-made sign up and sign in experiences. I found one that I like and I could copy the entire section, or I'll just right click on it, go to copy, and then copy style. Now going back into my project, I can now paste this on my form. So I'll go to paste, paste style. I'll do the same for my sign in form. I'll paste the styling, and I'll add a redirect after sign in to the account page. On the sign up form, I'll do the same thing. I'll paste some styling. I can see the password validator is showing a dark on dark, so I'll set that to white, and now it looks good. I'll add a redirect as well to the account page. Back on the account page, I'm going to drag in the action button component to enable a sign out. I'll now right click on the action button and I'll paste that styling again. I'll then set the action type to auth, action sign out, and for the label, sign out. I'm also going to add some text in here. So I'll say hello, and I'll add some styling to it real quick, and then name. So I want to display the signed in user's name here. So I'll put these inside of a stack. I'll go to the overrides, and then there's been a FrameAuth v2 override file added automatically from the plugin. So I'll go to the overrides, and here I'll add show if signed in, which will display this frame only to users who are signed in. On the name field, I'll also add an override, and that override will be named. I'm going to copy the action button, and I'm also going to paste it into my navigation. Perfect, so I've now added a basic auth setup. Let's publish and view on our website. So on my website, I see the sign up form. I'll fill it in with my information. And now I'll click sign up. I've now been signed up and I can see the option to save my information in the browser. I can see it says, hello, Danny, and I have the option to sign out. So I'll go ahead and sign out of my account. And on the sign in page, I see my information's been pre-filled by the browser, and I could sign back in, and now I'm signed into my account. And just like that, in a couple of minutes, you've already enabled the possibility for your first users to start signing up on your website. If you want to take it a step further, you can add some more membership features like you see here. With something like this, you can require users to sign up or complete a purchase in order to unlock this content. You also see features like sign in and sign up with Google, GitHub, sign in with a one-time password. If I sign into my account, I'll show you some more cool features that are offered through the membership experience. For example, here on this lesson page, I have the ability to mark this as complete. I can also bookmark it and then reference it in a list of favorited lessons. You'll find features like this and many more through the dashboard and in the plugin. If you reach a snag and have any questions or need help, check our documentation or reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to help.